day, everyone. Okay, how are you doing? Hope you all are good, man. Okay, so in today's video, I want to show you guys how to make a deposit on your deriv account using a payment agent. Okay, that's the fastest way to deposit in deriv as a Nigerian. Yeah, fastest way to do that. So I'll show you guys how to make a deposit US dollar on your deriv account. So make sure you hit the like button and subscription button so you got to get a cool video like this next time. Yes, yeah. So the first step, we are going to head to our browser, then we open our deriv account. Okay, so go to your browser. Maybe if you are using Android, you should be going to your Chrome, or if you are using iOS, you should head straight to your Safari. Okay, so let me head straight to my Safari right now. Open your Safari, then you head straight to your deriv account. That should be app.deriv.com. Yeah, so let's give it a time to load. Okay, yeah. So our deriv is loading. It's going to open our deriv account right now. So that's it. Let's give it a time, man. Just about 30 seconds, man. Yeah. So yeah, it's still loading. So guys, that's it. Our deriv account is done loading. Okay, so it's done loading. So as you can see right now, we got about $10 here already in our deriv account. So we have about $10 here in our deriv account. So the next step, that's the second step. Okay, the second step is to head direct to this. Let's head to this. Okay, to these three lines here at the top left of our screen. This place. Okay, so click on it. If you click on it, then we go to cashier and click on your cashier, right? Okay, click on your cashier, then click on your payment agent. Here is payment agent. Okay, here is payment agent. Click on payment agent, click on it. So it's gonna load right now, so let's give it a time. So as you can see right now, in payment agent we have deposit and withdrawal. Okay, so let's give it a time. Okay, it's downloading. So these are the vendors right now that are doing the deposit for you guys. So there are many of them. Okay, so we have many of them right here. We have binary M-Pesa services and all that. Okay, there are many. So the one that I do use that I trust so much, I've used it for about 2 years right now. So I'm going to search it right now. The name is Fast Naira Exchange. That's the name. So let's search it. Right now. Fast Naira Exchange. That's the name. Where? Fast Naira Exchange. Yeah, that's it. So this is Fast Naira Exchange right now. Okay, so the next thing is this link here with red. Yeah, you should click on it. That's his WhatsApp line. So then you click on it, it will take you to his WhatsApp DM. Click on it. Good. Open WhatsApp. Yeah, so this is his WhatsApp DM right now. So you're gonna send him a DM right now, telling him that we want to deposit. So that's it. Good day. Good day, bro. I want to deposit. Yeah. So let's wait for his replies. Okay, as you can see, he just sent his deposit rate and his withdrawal rate. So as you can see, and his minimum deposit is $5. Okay, so right now you are going to you're going to okay, this is his deposit rate. So right now, so let's ask him for his account details. Account details. Okay, that's it right now. So we have about two accounts right now, Kuda and Money Point. So let's use his Money Points account. Money Point. Let's copy it. Then we head straight to our payments app. That should be, let me use my OPay. Okay, so that's it. So we're going to transfer. I want to deposit about $27. Okay, yeah, Money Points. I want to deposit about $27 right now. So that's it. So $27. Let's check it on our calculator. It should be around his deposit rate is 1580, right? So guys, I want to deposit $27. So let's check it. 27 multiplied by 158, which is his deposit rate. That should be 42,660 naira. Okay, so let's transfer the money to him. 42,660 naira, right? Am I correct? Okay, that's it. So let's send it to him, to his Money Point account right now. So we are making the payments right now. Good. So that's it. So we've done the payments right now. So the next thing we're gonna do is to let's send him the receipt of our payments. Okay, so this is the receipt. Let's share it to his DM. All right. Okay, yeah, send it to his DM. That's the receipt of our payment. Yeah, so that's it. Okay, so let's go to his DM right now. So this is DM. So the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna send him our CR number. That's is a kind of our deriv account number. Okay, they call it CR number. So let's head to our deriv accounts to send our CR number to him. Okay, let me show you how to get it. So this is our CR number. If we click here, okay, if you click here, this is this real, you click it, then this CR number here, you hold it. Okay, hold it and copy. So after copying it, you go to his DM, then send it to his DM. Okay, paste it to his DM and send it for him. So this is our CR right now, where he's going to send the $27 for us. Okay, that's it. So he's typing right now. Let's wait for him. So this deposit, it won't take you more than 10 minutes, bro. Yeah, it won't take you more than 10 minutes. If you have a good network stability, it's not gonna take you more than 10 minutes. So that's it. So he sent this for confirmation. So yeah, let me confirm it. Yes, confirmed. Yeah, confirmed. Yeah, confirmed. So sent. Okay, so let's wait for him. Let's wait for him. He's going to send our $27 for us. Okay, so let's wait for him. Okay, let's wait for him. Let's wait for him. Let's know the next thing he's going to say right now. Okay, yeah, we are done. So he said your funds is now sent. That's what he said. So what's gonna happen right now, we are going to go to our deriv account. Let's confirm it. Okay, let's go and confirm it. Okay, so let's head to our deriv account and confirm the money he sent for us. Okay, good. So we go back. So that's it now. So right now I've just refreshed. So this is $37 right now. Okay, so we are refreshing. Okay, right now, so this is it now. Okay, our money is here right now. So this is the how to deposit money or deriv, the fastest way. Yeah, the fastest way to deposit your money on deriv. This is just the fastest way with payment agents. Okay, so that's it, bro. Okay guys, so if you really like how this video was snappy and simple, yeah, I want you to hit the like button so that this video is gonna reach many people, and also the subscribe button. Okay, so you're gonna get cool video like this next time. Okay, so that's it. Even if you're from Nigeria, if you're not from Nigeria, okay, if you're more from other countries, you can as well use this method to do that. Okay, yeah, payment agent is the best way. For me, it's the best way to deposit. Very, very fast and reliable, you get. So that's it, bro. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you next time.